Hi, to translate text on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly open any app in which you want to translate something. As an example, I'm going to open Play Store and just simply open this description of an app. Now we need to press and hold the text like that. And on top we would see some options such as translate. Tap it and it will automatically detect language. And here tap to be able to choose language to which you want to translate this text. So for example, in my case, only two downloaded, English and German. Let's tap on German. And this is the result. I can immediately copy this translated text. And I can tap here again and add even more languages by downloading them from the list like this. So let's wait a couple of seconds till it will be installing. Great. Now let's go back and we should see this language. Yep, Italian. Let's tap it. And this is translation in Italian language. Also from automatic detection, you can switch to manually selecting language, and of course you can copy it like that. So if something's not working for you, then make sure you're updated to the latest version first, and also that you are connected to Wi-Fi or got enabled mobile data. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.